Hundreds of Carleton University students say the administration is jeopardizing their education and job prospects by forcing them to move out of their building. 600 undergrads and postgrad students in Carleton's Neuroscience program will be pushed out next March to make way for the creation of a new building. And they say their research will be at risk. Our Judy Trin has been looking into this story for us. Judy, did the students know this was coming?
Lucy, that's the problem. The professors and the students in the neuroscience department say they weren't consulted. In fact, they were just told 2 weeks ago about the move. They have no idea where they're going and not enough time to salvage their experiments. Carleton's neuroscience students are researching how to slow the effects of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and diabetes. But now their work is at risk. The department is being forced to move so the university can renovate their building.
Some of our studies take 18 months in advance to plan. And so we can't just pack up and move everything.
Carleton University has told the neuroscience department that they must move out by March 1st. At stake are the futures of 550 undergraduate students and 50 master's and PhD students. More than 100 experiments could be jeopardized, and so could the ability of students to compete for grants. A move may also prevent students from graduating on time.
I've had a scholarship to work in one of the labs here for the past few years. I'm currently doing my undergraduate thesis, and unfortunately now everything has had to be condensed so that we can finish on time to try and pack everything up and leave. I'm hoping to apply for my master's next year. I was hoping to do it at Carleton, but now I'm concerned about when we'll be able to start our research, or when I'll be able to start my research, and if I'll even be able to finish on time.
The neuroscience department has 9 labs and more than $20 million in equipment. Some, like this electrolyte machine, takes months to calibrate. The department chair says 4 months is an unrealistic time frame for a move this size.
I have a research lab in this building. I wouldn't know, frankly, where to start in terms of packing up the equipment in that lab, the chemicals in the lab, the biohazards in that lab.
To make matters worse, neuroscience students are expected to move twice. The first time is into a temporary space next year, and then once construction on a new facility is completed, move a second time in 2018.
And so you only really want to move once to minimize the potentially catastrophic effects on our student research.
The administration made all these decisions before consulting with students and staff, turning neuroscience into a department of guinea pigs.
We love the fact that Carleton's getting new buildings. We love the fact that the research is burgeoning here. It's great for the institution. But it can't be at the expense of another institute. It can't be sacrificing the current students who are here, who are actively engaged in the research, for the potential of future research.
We asked for an interview with Carleton University administrators. They declined our request, but sent an email. In that email, they say they do care about the students and research going on in the neuroscience department, and that in a few days they will share their moving plans with students and staff. Lucy.
Wow, that's got to be unsettling for all those folks who don't have the answers they need. Thanks for this, Judy.
You're welcome.